Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure you have admin access and the device unlocked. This matters for permissions. First, connect to the network or plug an Ethernet cable so you can reach the router IP address. Once connected, open a browser and enter the router's IP, or on your computer open network settings to inspect saved networks. Make sure you note usernames, because without credentials you can't view stored passwords, so obtain or reset them if necessary. Next, navigate to where passwords are stored. On Windows, open Network Settings, then Wireless Properties and the Security tab to show the key. You'll need admin rights to reveal it. On Mac OS, use Keychain Access, search the SSID and click Show Password. Enter your account password when prompted. If you're using the router UI, find Wireless or Security Settings and look for the WPA passphrase field. Sometimes it's masked, but can be revealed once logged in. Each method requires proper credentials to display the secret. Finally, reveal and copy the password carefully. Caps and special characters matter. Then paste it into the device you want to connect. Once done, test the connection and remove any typos. If you can't access the router or view the key, reset the router to factory defaults as a last resort, then set a new SSID and strong passphrase. Remember, this will disconnect all devices. If connection still fails, check the router's encryption setting, device compatibility, and potential channel interference before seeking more help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.